Good day! I will be presenting the lesson on research. The content of this PowerPoint was prepared by Dr. Edwin R. Arboleda, Doctor of Engineering. I am Mark Ryan B. Hermogino from BSECE 3-1 with student number of 2019-11100, and I will be reporting the lesson about research. So, what is research? Research is the systematic and vigorous investigation of a situation or problem in order to generate new knowledge or validate existing knowledge. Here are the other definition of research. For Celtiz et al. In 1976, it is to search again, to take another more careful look, to find out more. For Liddy in 1974, it is a systematic quest for undiscovered truth. Tuckman in 1972 said that it is a systematic attempt to provide answers to questions. For Mojica in 2020, it is searching for theory, for testing theory, or for solving a problem. And according to Edwin R. Arboleda in 2021, it is to search for solutions to a gap in knowledge in a systematic and scientific way. So these are the different definitions of research based on our understanding. So what are the reasons for doing research? There are expectations and reality of for different people. The reasons for doing research in terms of our expectation: to build knowledge, to understand various issues, to provide solution to various problems, to seek the truth, and to nourish the mind. So, in our expectation in doing research, we attempt to solve a problem and seek for new knowledge. About the reality. The reasons for doing research in terms of reality is because it is your job. In a lot of research, a lot of research can be seen in different jobs. Like for example, a research assistant. Next is for our personal gain or interest, like getting promotion after doing such number of research, to achieve dream or ambition. As a researcher, we would dream in getting or achieving new ideas. And last is to get money or fund. In research, we also earn some money. The research endgame, or what is the final output after making a research. The research must be presented. For example, in presentations, in undergraduate levels, they present their research or their thesis to the panels. Another is the terminal reports or reports. After making a research, some are required to submit a report. Next is publications. We we all know that we publish our research in different publications. Next is patents. We can patent our research, like to gain um, to gain um, to be known that we created that research. Next is the product commercialization. We can sell the product or commercialize the product that we have created in the research and then travel to other places. Of course, this was before the COVID-19 pandemic. In order in traveling places, we share our knowledge, what in what we have derived in our research to different institutions or places. What are the different kinds of research? There are three common types of research. First is the basic research. What is a basic research? It is the planned systematic pursuit of a new knowledge and understanding towards a general application. For example, formulating a new edge detection algorithm that is much better than the existing ones. The main question being answered in the basic research is, why is this important? So, in basic research, we are creating new idea and asking the importance of it. Next is the action research. Acquisition of knowledge or understanding to meet a specific recognized need. So in action research, it's more on practicality and taking action of, about what you have researched. For example, a researcher applying his newly developed edge detection algorithm in green coffee beans feature extraction. So the main question being answered in action research is, how can we do this? How? What is the process of doing this? Next, the development research. The application of knowledge and understanding towards the production of or improvement of a product, service, process, or method. In development research, we try to develop, we, we create, we develop, we formulate new new um, item from our research. This is mostly done by undergraduate students like us. For example, incorporating the newly developed edge detection algorithm in hardware such as Raspberry Pi microcomputer so that it can be used in extracting features of green beans. Next, the 5 thematic research areas of CBSU. So if you're a student of CBSU, these 5 thematic areas will be important in creating your research. According to the CBSU Research and Extension, here are the 5 agendas. First is the agri-fisheries and food security. This thematic area emphasizes on developing agriculture and food systems that are economically viable and sustainable to ensure food security as well as to improve the quality of life of our farmers and fisher folks. We know that the CBSU is well known for its excellence in agriculture. Next is public health and welfare. This area deals with researchers on protecting and improving human health and welfare, which includes researches on diseases or conditions that may be transmitted to humans from humans or animals and vice versa, as well as those connected with the environment as a whole. The third one is biodiversity and environmental conservation. This thematic area is concerned with environmental stewardship and equitable allocation and sustainable use of natural resources. The fourth one is smart engineering, ICT, and industrial competitiveness. The term smart engineering covers the methods, processes, systems, and tools for the cross-disciplinary system-oriented development of innovative and interconnected products, services, and infrastructure of the field of engineering. So, most engineering students falls in this area because it tackles about technology. And the last is the societal development. This area shows the growth researches on the growth and development feature of in harmony that features opportunity of different persons in the society. Here are the references for this PowerPoint presentation. Let us remember what makes research different from other problem-solving activities is that it follows the scientific method of inquiry where conclusions are based on empirical evidences or observed facts. Thank you for watching and God bless.